January 15th in Western Canada, January 16th in Eastern Canada, 109 Eastern, 1109 Mountain. Justin McBrien, your lovely Canada host. How you doing? So snowfall warnings in the north because of the Arctic cold air. And this is the cold air that's going to sink down from the north tomorrow. Will bring strong winds, and there's already wind warnings in southern Alberta. With wind warnings for Southern Alberta with 90 km/h winds and gust up to 100 km/h times. Justin McBrien, your lovely Canada host. And it's not just that, the blowing, drifting snow tomorrow with that Arctic blast, that sharp cold front. And tomorrow, 7 degrees in Vancouver. Nothing much to talk about in British Columbia. Very nice conditions. With sunshine, Calgary, we'll see +7 tomorrow. That will be early in the morning, 11 a.m. Sorry, not early in the day. Then after that, temperatures will free fall. So let me give you the rundown. So here it is, 11 a.m. 11 a.m. You hit your daytime high, 6 degrees. Then temperatures will start to free fall. And look at that. Already in the afternoon at 2 p.m., snow for Calgary and other areas. So snow will start to come in. Not just that, the winds will start to pick up from the northwest, and that will drop the temperatures, plummeting the temperatures quickly for tomorrow. So again, +6 in the morning, +2 in the afternoon, already snow at 2 p.m. And it will be heavy at times with that sharp cold front. Don't be surprised to see some special weather statements. Edmonton already at 70 km/h winds. But tomorrow night, that's when the cold front sinks down, 70 km/h winds in Calgary. And you see in the red there, some other areas will see 100 km/h winds. Again, special weather statements tomorrow for sure. Already wind warnings in some areas. Not just that. It's the frigid cold air this weekend. And look at that. That's Saturday at noon for all areas. -27 to Fort McMurray. And Saturday night, -35 degrees in Fort McMurray. That's without the wind chill. The wind chill will feel like in the -40s. Keep on your pets and your animals as you bring them out. Here it is. 90% chance of heavy snow for Fort McMurray. 5 to 10 centimeters of snow, and overnight, -35. In other areas, Regina, Saskatoon will spread -28 Saturday night and -32 Sunday night. But with the wind chill, feels like -40. So as you're walking, your pets, your children, and yourself, please keep eyeing frostbite. If you see a little white, please call 911. It is a very important thing. And 3 degrees today. This is today. And tomorrow, -9. 0 right now. Cold front moving in. Sunday night, -31. Wind chill feels like -36. And Thunder Bay, -4 today. Oh, wait. Is it today? Yes, today. -4 today, January 16. And -17... +2 tomorrow on the 17th. Sorry. Forgive me for my mix-up. And today, 16, on the 16th will be -5, 0 tomorrow. So Thursday, -5, 0 tomorrow on Friday for Southern Ontario. And there will be a little bit of cold air coming in. 2 to 5 centimeters of snow with some lake effect snow squalls is possible for Ottawa on Sunday. And Montreal could see some snow, heavy snow at times in the afternoon, 1 to 2 centimeters. It will be heavy snow, but 1 to 2 centimeters of heavy snow. And Quebec City, -11, -7 tomorrow. St. John's, Newfoundland, 0 today, -1 tomorrow. Charlottetown, PI, -5, -7 tomorrow. I'm Justin McBrien. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.